Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you never miss out on our latest home improvement tips and DIY projects. Today, we're diving into outdoor renovation ideas that can transform your yard into a stunning oasis. Whether you have a small patio or a spacious backyard, we've got something for everyone. Let's get started. Idea 1, build a deck or patio. Our first idea is to build a deck or patio. This addition creates a perfect outdoor living space for relaxing, dining, and entertaining. Choose materials like wood to match your home's aesthetic. A well-designed deck or patio can add significant value to your property. Idea 2, create an outdoor kitchen. Next up, consider creating an outdoor kitchen. This is perfect for those who love to entertain. Install a grill, countertop, and some storage to make cooking outdoors convenient and fun. Add a dining area nearby to create a complete alfresco dining experience. Idea 3, add a water feature. Adding a water feature can bring a sense of tranquility and beauty to your yard. Options include fountains, ponds, and waterfalls. The sound of running water can create a calming atmosphere and enhance the overall aesthetic of your outdoor space. Idea 4, install outdoor lighting. Outdoor lighting is essential for both aesthetics and functionality. Use string lights, lanterns, and pathway lights to create a warm, inviting atmosphere. Solar-powered lights are eco-friendly and easy to install, making them a great choice for illuminating your yard. Idea 5, build a fire pit. A fire pit is a fantastic addition for any outdoor space. It creates a focal point and provides a cozy spot for gathering with friends and family. Choose from built-in designs or portable options, and surround it with comfortable seating to complete the look. Idea 6, incorporate greenery and gardens. Incorporating greenery is key to creating a vibrant outdoor space. Plant a variety of flowers, shrubs, and trees to add color and texture. If space is limited, vertical gardens and potted plants are excellent alternatives. Don't forget to consider native plants that thrive in your local climate. Idea 7, create a relaxation zone. Create a relaxation zone to unwind and enjoy the outdoors. Add a hammock, lounge chairs, and plenty of cushions for comfort. This space can be your retreat where you can read, nap, or simply enjoy the fresh air. And there you have it, 8 outdoor renovation ideas to transform your yard into a stunning oasis. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and leave a comment below with your outdoor renovation tips. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more home improvement ideas and DIY projects. Thanks for watching.